easier than like the regular one.
Toasty Pops.
You just say Cubby Bunny.
Cubby Bunny. How are these two? Oh god. I thought you were put like gauze in my mouth. That's right.
Your guys must be happy. Ashley, you didn't say Cubby Bunny.
Cubby Bunny.
Sweetie, I want to hear the Cubby Bunny. You fit 15 in there before? Did you just puke? Oh my gosh. You snort. We're gonna need the Tide pen after this one.
Oh god, I lost count.
Maybe you do not look attractive right now. Ashley, I'm sorry, you don't either.
We have to do it again. Go ahead, keep stuff. I was gagged.
Let's see, how many did I get in there? 6?
Look at the camera. Show your Cubby Bunnies. Shove them all in your mouth right now.
I'm not shoving them back in my mouth, I'll puke.
It looks like a white dog turd.
Amanda, what did you do with your marshmallows?
Go put them in her face.
Alright, we have to take it slow this time.
That's what she said.
They're all over the floor. How'd they get all? Oh, when I got the bag out.